Пиздец. This means fuck. Just as many other words in this language do.
What the fuck is this?
Man, every time I give this car to my mama, she fucking
Oh man, luckily it wasn't below.
Пиздец.
Ёб твою за ногу, блядь.
Пиздец. This means fuck. Just as many other words in this language do.
And this. Man, every time I come to this car, I see fucking new damage.
Just about got it. Oi, oi.
Bros, for real, that is a fucking real, straight up Ned Flanders filming. From Simpsons, if you fuckers just came out of your eggs. Or in some cases, ass.
Oi, oi.
Yes, little Mrs. Miyagi, crack is not good.
Yeah, you got it in.
Fucking hell. But anyway, all this is gonna get wrapped anyway. Man, this was lucky actually. And then you already seen this, what my mom's done. I'm gonna get this repaired next week. My bros, Bluebell Auto Body Center, are gonna sort it out, they said, for me. For free. Because they're very nice people. Yeah, bros and sisters, the best paint shop in England and soon in the world. Yep, done this bad boy. And until mum fucked it up, reversed into a stone, that's right. A little bit. We were on the beach ahead, and there was the only stone on the whole of the beach ahead, and she managed to fucking find it. Well, it was the other side, wasn't it? Or was it? Oh yeah, it was the other side. Yeah, he's done pretty much whole of this car. Oh, look at that, man. Lovely jubbly. Awesome. Man, I'm really, every time I give this car back to my wife, she's fucking killed.
Подгон Productions.
Only one day later,